Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a gratitude journal on Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're going to type in gratitude journal. After selecting gratitude journal, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be given access to over 20,000 different templates that you can choose from. And these templates are basically layouts that you can use and customize to your liking to create a professional looking gratitude journal even as a complete beginner. So you can see the different templates here. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can choose from. So for example's sake, let's say I would like to use this one. So I'm going to be selecting this one. You can see how it looks right here. And I'm just going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, if it is a case that you would like to change the background color, you could do that. So you could tap on the current page, then tap on the color circle at the top navigation bar. Then from there, you can see different background color options from the left hand menu option right here. So you could select one of these background colors to your liking, as you can see right here. After selecting it, you could tap on change all in the bottom left hand corner to change the background color for all pages. Now once you have done this, you could tap on copy or duplicate at the top. And then after selecting duplicate, from there you can continue creating more pages. So you could change the heading right here, today I'm grateful for, and you could change that if you want. And you can also change the things that made me smile. You could change that, or you could leave it as is, and you can continue duplicating it depending on the amount of pages that you would like your journal to have. And if it is a case that you would like to add a different page just to mix it up, you could do that by going over to the top left hand corner. From there you could select design, then at the top in the search bar you could type in gratitude journal. After you have done that, you'll get access to even more page templates that you can add. So for example, I'll select add page right here at the bottom. Then from there you could change it up as I was saying earlier, and if it is a case, you can add this page, or you can add a page for daily reflections. So you could select the page right there, and you can also change the date. So you could tap on the current date right here, and let's say for example I would like to change it. So instead of it saying the 30th of January, I would like to change it to September, just for example's sake. I could do that. So I could type in September right here. So that's how you will be able to adjust it and customize it to your liking. You can also tap on the text and you could edit the text to your liking. You can tap on add more pages at the bottom. And then for example, you could add this option also, the morning mantra. And you can tap on add page once more. And then from there, you can also add different options, self-care checklist. And again, you can duplicate these pages. So if you would like them to be more than one self-care checklist pages, you can simply tap on duplicate to duplicate it. And by scrolling up, you can see how it looks right here. And to create a cover page is also quite easy. You're going to tap on add page. After selecting add page, from here you could go over to the left hand menu option and select elements, and you could add different elements. But what I recommend you do is select design. After selecting design, all you'll need to do is type in once more gratitude journal, and you could select gratitude journal cover. After selecting gratitude journal cover, you can see different cover options that you can choose from. So you can see them right here. You can scroll down until you see one of your liking. So let's say for example's sake, I'll just select this one. So you can select this cover. Then after doing that, you can change the name right here. So I could select the text right here, and I could change it to simple answers just for example's sake. And I could also change it, instead of it saying daily journal, I could change it to gratitude journal by selecting the text. So you could move this text, then select where you see daily, and I could change that to gratitude. Let me do that real quick. Then pull along the text right here to adjust it. So I'll pull along the side. And I'm going to decrease the font size a bit. So I'm going to carry it to 64. You can see it right there. Then we'll just adjust it. And that's it. So now that we have created our page cover and we have created the pages, it is now time to print it. So you can tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you would select download, and you want to select where you see PNG. You could tap on that, and you're going to change it to either PDF standard or PDF print, as this will give you a better outline and a better look when you have print it. And you can also choose to share it via email if you want. So I can select PDF print, then I'll tap on download, and I will now have my gratitude journal. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button